All right, it's time for the app of the week, and this week we are learning about Splora, a telecommunications app that's now empowering users to hold telemarketers accountable for those pesky calls. And I'm joined by the CEO, Terry Crews. Terry, thanks for coming in. They are pesky.
They are.
Do you have something against telemarketers, against those robocalls?
Absolutely.
What is it? What is it that bugs you about them?
Well, every time you're going to sit down to have dinner, they're on the phone.
It is dinner. I've noticed my cell phone actually has been getting more of them, more so than my landline.
Yeah, well, you know, the carriers make a lot of money out of robocalls, and so they've developed the technology and given it to the telemarketers to increase their revenue.
All right. Well, let's talk about Splora here. SF-based company. How does it work? So I download it. It's a free app. I download it and take me from there.
Okay, download. It's a free app. It then lets you have extensive voice, text, and video anywhere in the world between Splora customers,
okay.
And it's all free. Add on top of that, if you want to speak to normal telephones, there's a plan, $12.95, any phone, anywhere in the world, unlimited.
So what's the difference between this and, say, the do not call list, would you say, you know, which was popular in my household?
Yeah, look, the do not call list is a bit of a joke. It is used by the Indian telemarketers as their calling list because they're not needing to abide by the legislation. So, nice, easy list. We know there's definitely someone at the end of that phone.
So let me get this straight. So I get the app, and then do I have to find the phone number that comes in from Orlando, Florida, which I know at 8:15 at night, I don't know anyone calling from Orlando, Florida. Do I need to actually insert that phone number?
No, you don't need to do anything. You just take the phone call, listen to the first few words, push the button, it transfers them to a voice message, and we tend on that voice message to do things like hello, 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 and annoy them. Whilst we're doing
So they get annoyed. They get that message.
Yeah,
I like that. That's a nice little twist to it.
Yeah, we like to give them a bit back.
Yeah. What about like you have an ex-friend or an old friend that keeps bugging you? Can you put that phone number in too?
Absolutely.
Or is this just for robocalls?
No, it's for any phone that's
Now you're
calling.
really hooking me here, Terry. Okay, so how is the FCC involved? Because they actually benefit from this as well. They're getting some pretty crucial information out of this.
Yeah, look, the problem for FCC is that they do want to do something about it, but you know, Grandma gets a call and it's a robocall. She gets annoyed and rings FCC, and they start asking her questions about what was the phone number, what was the time, and she doesn't have it. So it's like finding a needle in a haystack to do that. So when the robocall or the pesky telemarketer who's got a different angle hits you, we keep them occupied with this voice message of hello, hello, I can't hear you,
right.
You know, where you're coming from, all those things. We're actually tracing the call. And all the numbers you see from these guys are fake numbers. But we actually can get behind the fake number and get the real number, record the message, then we can send it to FCC.
And then you give it to the FCC.
Yeah, and they've got real information they can prosecute.
That's probably one of their biggest complaints is probably robocalls.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Is it your voice, the annoying voice that goes back to them, or whose voice is it?
No,
you hired someone?
We've hired a few people to do different versions for us.
I like that. Well, it's an interesting idea. How long did it take to develop till you actually launched? Splora?
The app component of it is probably 18 months, but there's been 5 years of developing a whole telco infrastructure so that we can deliver traffic all around the world. And the reason that we can do it for $12.95 a month, unlimited, is that it's our network that we've created. So we bypass all the big guys, and those big guys are very good at charging us big dollars.
Yep.
We've been ripped off forever, and it is time for consumers to get
They've been bugging me forever, too.
Yeah.
And on my landline, too. All right, Terry Crews with Splora. Thanks very much. Congratulations on the app.
Thanks, Mike.
Okay, and you can get more information, of course, at our website at ktvu.com. With that, let's send it over